Last week, our pranayam, our breath meditation, was inhaling with 4 segments in, segmented breath with 4 sniffs in and 8 sniffs out. And this one's kind of related, but not exactly the same. It's called Vatskar Pranayam. In Punjabi, Vatskara means heritage. I don't know what the connection between heritage is with this exercise or how it's supposed to make you feel, but Vatskar breath is very shallow breath. You know, normally in yoga breathing, we breathe all the way through our lungs and open our diaphragm and even expand our belly and bring the air all the way in, and then exhale all the way out in a complete breath. With this one, you don't go down into your stomach. It only comes as far as your lungs. And so you take 8 tiny sips in, followed by 1 slow exhale through your nose. So you're inhaling and exhaling through your nose, but it's 8 tiny sips in, and you don't bring it to your stomach. And a trick I think of for this is just tighten your stomach and see if you can do 8 tiny sips in. And then 1 exhale through your nose, a long exhale through your nose. So it's a shallow breath, and if you can't hold your stomach just with your own muscles, you can even just press it with your hands if you want to. Go ahead and practice it and get the feel of it. We're going to be going for 5 minutes, so I don't want you to strain yourself with this contraction of your stomach. If you need to relax it from time to time, do. But it's just a prop to help you remember to only bring the air into your lungs. So you can use, while you're practicing, I'll just mention that you could use a mantra. Our primary mantra in Kundalini Yoga is Sat Nam, Sat meaning truth, Nam meaning name. And back in the early 70s, when this yoga was brought to the United States, the meaning was, we were told, was truth is the name of God. And then later years, we were told it means truth is my identity. And I think that's because God just isn't out there, but the oneness of all that we're a part of means that we are a part of God too. And so God, or truth is the name of God, became truth is my identity, your identity. Truth is the name of all. So go ahead and feel free to use Sat Nam as your breath mantra. You can just sniff in Sat Nam silently, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. And you can use, on the long exhale, you can just go Sat Nam silently. You can use any mantra you like. One that I like to use also is 8 parts, is I bless myself, I bless all life. And you can exhale Sat Nam long on that one if you like to. So if you're ready to go, I'll start the timer. We're going to do this for 5 minutes. Go ahead and begin. 8 tiny sips in, and then 1 slow exhale through your nose. And you can use a mantra or not, your choice. Do this in a way that's enjoyable for you. Don't stress yourself. This isn't serious or a struggle. This is just really enjoyment of shallow breathing, shallow sniffs, kind of minimalist, easygoing, kind of like counting your blessings and being joyful with what you have. More than halfway done. "44 seconds to go." Okay, please inhale deeply. Suspend your breath. Relax your breath. Exhale. Keep your eyes closed and just relax into slow, deep breathing, natural breathing. Go inside, be at your master control center, focus to your brow point, and notice how you are, how you feel. Maybe imagine yourself as the central point of the universe with all the vastness of the infinite surrounding you.